Hello guys, today we're gonna build a Ford Crown Victoria from New York and something else as well. Every piece you see here is 3D printed, except the tires, of course. Precision engineered to recreate the Ford Crown Victoria in 1/10 scale. This isn't just for show. Paired with our custom chassis, Destiny, this build is designed to dominate the roads. Destiny has many new features, so stick around and we'll show you what's new. And yes, we're putting this beauty to the test by the end of this video. So let's get started. The goal of the design was to minimize the need for supports. The main body is made up of 3 parts, with support required only at the bottom. These upper surfaces have steep angles, allowing them to be printed without support. So again, support only needed here at the bottom. The body is assembled using screws and nuts. As my bro is a support phobic at the bumpers, he also wanted to avoid using any, so he made separate parts and glued them together. You might think there are a bit too many screws here.
Yeah, some.
A lovely frontal light section. There's a nut hiding place there. You have to have a rhythmic sense of the whole, of which bro clearly lacking.
People, we are getting there.
The tedious process of sanding and sanding, put a putty on, and sanding till eternity. Doors with side stripes or without. The P71 looks just as the P73. Some Interceptor models never had any side stripes on the front doors for better showing police signs. Anyways, both versions are available in our set. And yes, this is what we build as well, the LA police car version. Fan of the cops? Stay till the end. Let's put these on and give them a paint. You're always skipping this part, so I'm gonna give you some nice Indian music
To make you stay.
Painting it black where it needs to be black. Windows. There are 3 options. Print them unfolded with an FDM printer, then either glue them to the body or use them as a stencil to cut the windows from a foil. Third option, using a resin printer. So you print this piece and use it as a window or use it as a stencil when cutting the foil version. We're going with the foil version with a frame around it. The emblem should have been printed on a white vinyl instead of a transparent one. That's why it looks a bit dark. I was too lazy to make it separately cause blah blah blah. Head and tail light covers. We printed them with our resin printer. This enamel paint gives the resin printed head and tail light covers an awesome transparent finish. Look, it's magic. More stickers for our New York taxi. The headboard on top is secured with 2 screws. These are the markings for the holes on the body. These 2 separate pieces must be glued to the body with the magnets embedded in them. These are parts of the mounting system. One goes for the middle, the other goes for the frontal section. We're using this 12 LED light system from Tamiya. High beam, lower beam, turn signal, brake light, reverse light, and 1 pair of turn signal again. Let's quickly install the exhausts. The holes for the LEDs are all 5mm. For the 3mm LEDs, my bro used these rings to ensure they fit it tightly into the 5mm holes. Use a glue gun. Voila! Lights applied. Crown Victoria wheels. The rim can be printed with supports only under the hexagon here. The cover can be screwed onto the rim using a designed printed key. Let's see the new modifications on Destiny. The new turnbuckle does not have a cut threaded rod. Simply use a standard DIN 912 screw and screw it into the base part. Then attach the head. You can easily adjust the angle of the tire as desired. The screw at the head is still a countersunk head screw DIN 7991. We made fixed length steering sights previously, now this one can be adjusted. With this new improvement on the steering side, you can easily set the tire toe in and toe out. In the middle, use DIN 913 hexagon socket set screws. The length can be adjusted with the degree of screwing in. We also designed both a short and a long version from each end to be able to set all the desired lengths. Let's quickly put the wheels on. The middle bracket has been redesigned. It is now printed without support. Due to the optimized printing orientation for strength, it is more durable. This adjustable connecting part was an old idea of Bro, but the previous attempts were not good enough. Now it is stable, sturdy, and easily changeable. There are 3 different versions of it, with varying lengths. So many wheelbases are doable. We also redesigned the printed suspension. Now the screws are gone, it is simpler, easier to assemble, and allows for easier adjustment of the spring tension. A small amount of glue is needed to fix the sleeve to the base part. You will need to polish the shaft slightly, as we made it tightly attaching to the sleeve to ensure proper guidance. It was necessary to have Destiny bumpers. Many of you wanted it. Finally, we made it. We made 2 versions, a smaller one and a larger one. They are printed with TPE or TPU, flexible materials, and are fixed to the front tower with 2 screws. Now comes the fixing of the body to the chassis. You can see the glued adapters with the magnets there. You just connect them to the chassis' frontal and middle mounting. And voila! There it is! The police car version with a cheap but amazing light bar from China. And now comes the testing of these 2, so don't go anywhere just yet. Probably, this is the lamest testing of all